Hello there, welcome to a beautiful day in Florida. Today I'm tackling a DIY project. I'm painting the new porch bench to match the color of the front door. Then we're going to go to the backyard and I'm going to show you all the beautiful plants that I got at the garden center. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you're a new visitor, my name is Jacqueline Marie and this is a Sea Green Coastal Cottage, and I hope that you take some time today to subscribe so you will not miss all the episodes that I have planned for this year. So let's go ahead and get started. I bought this new bench online and my husband assembled it a few days ago. And now I'm going to give one coat of primer before I start giving the final touches of the paint color to match the front door. I always like to use this brand of primer because it's very good quality and it dries pretty fast. In this case, I'm using the interior and exterior type that also protects for mold and mildew. Priming the furniture is a very important step because it helps the paint adhere better and it gives a smoother and longer lasting finish. I'm using an inexpensive foam brush to apply the primer. By this way, I ensure that I can get in all the grooves and edges to have full coverage. I'm applying a nice thin coat and I will let it dry overnight, and tomorrow I'm going to apply the first coat of the color paint. Have you guys ever tried priming and painting furniture before? If so, what kind of primer do you like to use? I love to know if you have any favorite brands or tips that work for you. After I finish priming this bench, I'm planning on using the moody blue color from Sherwin-Williams. That is the same color that my front door is painted with. In the past, I have used the Annie's Lawn chalk paint to paint furniture, and I really love this kind of paint. It's very easy to use, very forgiving, and you don't have to prime or also prep before painting. You just paint the piece of furniture and then apply some wax and the furniture looks great. I could have used the chalk paint to paint the bench, but because I wanted to match the same color of the front door, that's what I'm using, the Sherwin-Williams brand. We're almost done priming, but now I'm going to switch the foam brush and I'm going to use the smaller kind of foam brush to paint these areas. It took me about 2 hours to completely prime this bench, and now we're going to leave it overnight and continue the next day. It is the next day and the primer is all dry, so we're finally ready to start painting. I'm super excited because today we're going to begin with the first coat of paint. I'm using this gorgeous shade from Sherwin-Williams called Moody Blue. It's a beautiful mix of blue and green. For this project, I'm going with a semi-gloss finish. I love the way it will reflect the light and give the bench that sleek and polished look. As you can see, it's covering the primer beautifully. I'm taking my time here with long and even strokes to make sure it is as smooth as possible. This beautiful color is the perfect addition to my coastal cottage vibe. It's amazing how much a little paint can transform a piece of furniture, isn't it? Please let me know what you think about this paint color. The first coat of paint always goes a little thin, but once the second coat is done, it will really pop. This moody blue color has just the right balance of boldness and calmness, and I'm already seeing it fits so perfectly into the space. I'm almost done with the first coat of paint. I'm going to leave it overnight, and tomorrow morning I'm going to give it the second coat. It is already the next day, and I'm so excited to show you the progress we made. The second coat is done, and I'm going to show you how beautiful it looks in the front porch. Look at how beautifully the moody blue pops against the white house, and it matches perfectly with the front door. The colors just feel so refreshing and welcoming, and it really ties in with the coastal theme I'm going for. Now that the bench is all finished and looking gorgeous on the front porch, I want to show you another part of my little outdoors oasis. Let's head to the backyard where I have been working on adding some beautiful plants around the pool area. In the lanai, I still have some bins with decor that I have not unloaded yet, but my husband put this beautiful well already on the wall. We're still working with the water fountain. We had to assemble it and fill it up with water. And the swimming pool is looking gorgeous. I love it. And the water is warming up, so soon we will be swimming. Look at these beautiful plants I just picked up at the garden center. These were the same pots that I had at my house in Massachusetts. We have got some exciting plans ahead. We're going to be adding even more landscaping to create a little extra privacy in these areas and really make it feel like our own tropical retreat. So if you have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe tab and also the notification bell so you will not miss the exciting upcoming episodes when we will transform this backyard into a tropical oasis. Please comment below and let me know what you think about the backyard and the pool and these beautiful flowers. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like tab and also please share the video with a friend. My friends, that's a wrap on today's video. I hope that you had a relaxing time and enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. Have a great day.